In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your order on the Shoe Show Mega website. If you've recently made a purchase and you're eager to find out exactly when your new shoes will arrive, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. By the end, you'll know exactly where your order is using simple online tools. Let's begin by visiting the Shoe Show Mega website. Head over to your internet browser and type in shoeshowmega.com. Once you're there, you'll see a range of options and categories, but our focus today is on tracking an order, so let's zero in on that. Next up, you'll want to log into your account, look towards the top of your screen, and you'll find the option to sign in. Click on it, and a prompt will appear asking for your email and password. This step is crucial because logging in allows the website to connect you with your personal account information. Go ahead and enter your details. If you've entered your credentials correctly, you'll now have access to your account dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to a page where you can view your account information. You'll want to look for a section that says My Account or Order History. These sections are essentially your one-stop shop for all details regarding what you've bought and your order status. Click on either My Account or Order History to see a list of your recent orders. Here is where things start to get interesting. After locating your order, you should see various details about it. Pending, processing, or completed. It will show you the status of your order, and here's the key part. Once your order has shipped, you should be able to find a tracking number associated with it. This tracking number is your golden ticket to finding out precisely where your package is in its journey to your doorstep. Now that you have your tracking number, you can choose from different ways to track its progress. One of the quickest ways is to use the Shoe Show tracking page directly on their website. Simply navigate to that page and enter your tracking number for detailed updates. Alternatively, if you prefer a broader approach, multi-carrier trackers like 17Track can be incredibly useful. They allow you to monitor shipments from various carriers all in one place. Just enter your tracking number there and watch as it pulls up real-time information about your shipment's location and estimated delivery time. And there you have it, a complete rundown on how to track your Shoe Show Mega order with ease. With these steps, you're not just waiting around wondering, you're in control and informed every step of the way. Happy tracking, and may your new shoes arrive swiftly.